It's me and my boy Edwin. Subscribe to his channel. My channel, we're doing a Nerf gun battle. This is part 1, but if you go to his channel, Edwin Gaspar, that's going to be part 2. So, let's get right into the video.
So, here, give me the camera. I'll film you. You do the discussion. Sorry, guys.
So, I'm going to have this gun. It's the easy gun.
Because
I'm the one holding the camera. I wish I had a GoPro or something.
GoPro, yeah. We need a GoPro. And guess what?
Not GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro. Or whatever you call this. So, we're going to set you right here. Right there. Right there. We're going to set you right there so you guys can see. And we're only going to hide only right here.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what's going to vlog.
Can you guys see me? Comment down below if you guys can see me.
They need something like this. That's better. Let's check. Yes, they can definitely see you. Let's get right into the video.
So,
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, nos vemos, Matías.
I got him.
There's only 3 rounds in this one.
I got him, boys.
2 more rounds, because he has to go. So let's hurry this up. 3, 2, 1, go. I got you. That was that 2. Now round 3. Now this, you could have 3 lives. All right, you ready? Go. Go. I got you, run. No. Got you, guys. Gotcha. No. I got we both got it. Now we both have 2 lives.
Guys. Okay, let me get the camera. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? I don't know who won though. This is a hard decision. Who won the final round? Leave a comment down below and check out my channel.
Edwin Gaspar.
There's a picture of a Lamborghini.
Yeah. So this is round 3.
We already did round 3.
We both have 2 lives left. That's all. And after that, we're done. Oh.
Here, guys, I will take camera for you guys so you guys can have a better angle, but I'm going to use this gun. I'm not going to cock it. I have to get a 10-second head start. Ready?
Go.
Guys, I'm here. Here. Gotcha! Hey, Fernando, guess what?
What?
You're dead.
Nah, come on. Alright.
I won! Guys.
Won. Oh, he cheated. Comment down below if you think he cheated. He cheated. He cheated. Hey, my camera. So, this is it. Bye, guys. We'll miss you and subscribe to him. Thank you for everything.
Yeah, go subscribe to my channel.
And my channel.
We actually should subscribe a lot, but it doesn't matter because we don't. I
like
have
our
0
videos.
subscribers.
And
Subscribers.
like our videos.
So why don't you should subscribe to my channel?
Alright. I'm going to link his channel down below. Bye, guys. I'll see you today in the kitchen. Bye. Bye, Edwin.
Bye. See you later.
See ya. There's going to be 2 parts for the kitchen because basically I can't. Yeah, you know. So, bye, guys. See you guys in a few hours.
Probably. Yeah, a few hours. I'd probably come. We'll see him and we'll watch the vlog. And if you guys would check my channel where I showed my Legos. He helped me out.
Yeah. I'm the one that edits his videos.
Hey! You only edited my first vlog.
Yeah, because I had to show you. So,
right,
bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Let's go.
Bye. See ya. Can you give me my stick back, please? What? Oh, I'm still filming, bro. All right, see ya.